This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Ruth Santana. Pool home, open floor plan, new roof, new exterior paint, new carpets in bedrooms, new landscaping, updated windows, move-in ready, 4-bed 2-bath, large MUTI-SLIDE window and kitchen that opens to the lanai and 3 large multi-slide glass doors open onto the large screened lanai, also 2-car garage, large pool with water slide. Master suite with walk-in closet, large whirlpool bathtub and shower located separate from 3 guest rooms. Pet friendly, with pet door and lanai for your fluffy friends. Great location in Safety Harbor. 11 miles from Clearwater Beach / Honeymoon Island Beach. 15 minutes to street. Pete-Clearwater International Airport, 30 minutes to downtown Tampa. Walking distance from Philippe Park and bike trails. Not in a flood zone. See you Sunday, August 6th, 1 to 3 p.m. For more information, review the details below or contact Ruth Santana at 423-322-3559.